My name is Bonifacio Paulo. I'm originally from Mozambique and I work with Wycliffe South Africa. I'm a Bible translation consultant in Southern Africa, and I'm here with this wonderful group of scholars working on Old Testament translators' notes. I found this very, very important project. Recently, I was consulting an Old Testament translation, and I discovered that they needed this material before they even start translating. So what we are doing here these few days will elevate the knowledge of what translators down there and accelerate the process of translation.
Hi, my name is Ron Radke. I've been with Wycliffe in Bible translation for about 25 years. I've worked in Central Africa, and I've done consulting, translation consulting around Africa in countries like Madagascar, Nigeria, and a little country in Central Africa called Gabon. I've also been a member of the permanent staff for the Translator's Notes for about 17 years now. So I'm excited to be here working with this new initiative called the Bamboo Project as a trainer.
My name is Samuel Bangiri Tn Workshop. I come from Togo. I've been translating the Bible into my mother tongue, the Old Testament, and I've been using the translation notes, and it helped me a lot. And now that I'm a Bible consultant, I'm using it with other translators. Last year I went to Cameroon to check the Psalms with translators, and I discovered that while we were using the translation notes, it helped a lot translators. And I'm very happy to be part of this team writing notes for other translators. And we use them in many countries. I work in Benin, in Togo, and also some other countries. Although they speak French, they use these notes, and it does help them a lot.
Hi, I'm Steve Christensen from California, USA. I've been with Wycliffe Bible Translators since 1991, working in Papua New Guinea. I finished the New Testament there in 2004, and now I'm working with, since that time I've been working with Translators Notes people, doing a number of New Testament books, and I'm here at this workshop to help people get started doing the same thing for Old Testament books.
I am Vincent Eribae from Kenya. I work with Bible translation and literacy. I've been a translator with the Pocomo project for almost 26 years now, and we've worked on the New Testament and the Old Testament. We are now awaiting to publish the whole Bible. I've had the opportunity to use the translator's notes, and I think they were helpful, although in some places they were a bit hard in using them as a translator. And having this opportunity to be able to develop translators' notes to assist other translators, for me it's really a golden opportunity, and I would really love to do that, to assist other translators so they can do the work that they are called to do in the way they should do it for the glory of God. Thank you.